Hi, today I am going to share a delicious and quick potato donuts recipe. This recipe is perfect for Iftar in Ramadan. So, let's get started. In a bowl, add 2 boiled medium potatoes. Now, mash the potatoes. I am using a fork to do this. Now to it, add a 1/3 cup of chopped onions. And then add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds, 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. Now mix until well combined. In the meantime, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell icon so that you won't miss new recipes. Now, grease your hands with oil and take a piece of the mixture and shape it like a donut. Set it aside in another plate. Now, dip each potato donut in the egg mixture. Coat it evenly. Now, dip it into breadcrumbs and make sure to coat it nicely. Repeat this process for all the potato donuts. In a pan filled with cooking oil, fry the potato donuts until golden brown. Flip it and fry until golden brown. Remove from the pan and serve. There you have it, the best potato donut snack recipe that is so flavorful. You can serve this with ketchup or any other dip of your choice. This is perfect for Iftar snacks or for lunchbox. Anyway, I hope you liked the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.